Hey mamacitas, let me show you how to make this healthy, super easy protein-packed roasted garlic chicken to help you with your protein goals, especially if you are prioritizing protein this year. You're going to start with lining a baking pan with some parchment paper. Then add your chicken wings and thighs. Next, I added my seasoning, which was salt and pepper and cayenne pepper, which I like to use because it's an excellent source of capsaicin, which may lower blood sugar levels and other healthy benefits. Here I listed a quick view of some of the benefits of cayenne pepper. So meanwhile, while the butter was melting in the oven on the chicken, I chopped up some fresh garlic. And once I got all the butter melted, I added the chicken with the spices, garlic, and melted butter into a Ziploc bag with olive oil and coated all the ingredients together. In a preheated 375 degree oven, I baked my chicken wings for about 30 to 45 minutes. You just want to make sure that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, these are so good. They're juicy, flavorful, and perfect to serve on a busy weeknight. Seriously, you got to try this. Go make it.